Hello everybody, this is Travis and I have another video for you all. This video is going to cover cloning opportunities in the context of a project. Now in a previous video, I converted a lead with project information and product interest information, and you can click on that link in the upper right hand corner if you want to watch that. So before I jump into the demo, let me explain what I'm going to show you first. So we have this opportunity, again, that was created from the lead conversion. The account was created, the contact was created, and the project was created automatically and related to the opportunity. So Mike from Metropolitan Kitchen, who we've never done business with, they were a new lead. We converted them because they seemed like there's a strong possibility to do new business with them. So we have Mike. He's a reseller of kitchen items. He told us on the lead that there's a project that's going to start in about 2 months. So that's when we filled in the project information in the lead, and then when we converted it, we have the project right here. So if I click on the project, we have some basic information which came from the lead. Let's go back to the opportunity. And now what we're going to do is we're going to switch out the generic products with real products, because we don't quote companies products that don't exist. It doesn't make any sense, at least in this context, in this scenario. So what we're going to do is that we're going to switch out furniture construction and acoustics with real products. So let me go ahead and go through this process. So if I click on this button right here, a window is going to appear, and this window acts like a mini product filter. So you can see that the pH hierarchy 1 field is populated, but the second level is not populated, okay? The reason why is this generic product record, it only has a product hierarchy 1 level. So that's why the product hierarchy 2 is not selected. Now, whenever I try to search for a product or select a product, there's nothing. Because there's nothing in the system, there's no products in the system that only fall under product hierarchy 1. Now, if there were products that were assigned product hierarchy 1 only, furniture construction, you would see that list of products here, but there's none in the system. So let me go ahead and select brackets. Okay, brackets fall under furniture construction, and then whenever I click on here, you'll see there's 2 products. So these 2 products, they have this combination of product hierarchy 1 and product hierarchy 2. So let me click on the first one and click save. And you're going to see that it was replaced. The furniture construction generic product was switched with this product right here. We brought in the list price, and we have a sales price right here as well. Now, I'm going to go ahead and switch out the acoustics one as well. So click on the button again. A window appears. Both of these values are populated. These 3 products fall under this combination right here. So I'm going to select the first one, save, and now I've switched out the acoustics with the compactor 3500. Let's go ahead and save. So now we have our real products on the opportunity. Now let's increase this quantity to 10 because he's interested in 10 for both products. And let's put a discount of 40% here. And the reason why we're discounting it is because the reseller is not going to buy these products at list price. We need to discount it for them. They buy it from us. We make a margin. They resell it. Maybe instead of $1,800, well, hopefully more than $1,800, they sell it to $2,200 per unit. So they make a margin as well. They make some money whenever they sell it to the end consumer. Okay, let me click save. So this opportunity is worth almost $30,000. We go back up here to the project. You'll see that the estimated project value, it said 40,000 earlier, but now it's been updated to almost 30,000. Okay, why is it here, this value? Well, it's because this opportunity, again, is added to the project value. So if there's any opportunity in the system that is project business and added to project value is true, it's going to take the amount field and roll it up. It's going to sum it up to here, okay? Now let me go back to the opportunity. Okay, so now we have our products defined with Mike, who works with this business, this reseller of kitchen products. But to increase our chances of making a deal, we want to reach out to other resellers of kitchen items. I want to keep everything the same products, but I just want to change the account to a different account and make some adjustments to the line items, maybe a higher discount with another account. So how do I do that? So I'm going to click on Clone with Line Items. I'm going to clear out Metropolitan Kitchen. I'm going to replace it with American Kitchens. Now this company we do business with them. So maybe we have a greater chance of doing business with them, and maybe they're the ones who should sell our items into this project that's about to start in a couple months. So let me just update the name of this opportunity. It's always good to have a naming convention. So let me do Kitchens, Hilton Dallas Light. Okay, let me click Next. I'm going to go to the new opportunity, the cloned opportunity, and here we are. We have a cloned opportunity under a new account that's related to the same business, the same project with the same product list, same discount information, so same sales price. But again, like I said, we want to increase our chances of making a deal. So, and we normally work with American Kitchens. So we're just going to give them their pricing for these products, which is 50% off our products. I'm going to click Save. I'm going to go back to the details page. Let me click into Hilton Dallas Project. Click on Added to Project Value, and you're going to see that both of these opportunities fall under this Added to Project Value tab right here on the project. Now, this number right here is inflated because we have two opportunities. They're like practically the same deal. We don't want to count it twice. So how do we get this number to be right and not inflated? So we're going to go to the opportunity that needs to be added to this project. And because we have a better feeling for American Kitchens being the one that we're really going to do a deal with, because Metropolitan Kitchen, they're new to us. We don't know truly how serious they are in doing business with us. We're going to go to Opportunity. We're going to remove Add to Project Value, click Save, go back to the project, and you're going to see it's updated now. If I click on Added to Project Value, we're going to see just one right now, okay? But here's the full list of opportunities. Okay, let's go here. Again, let's increase our chances a little bit more. Let's try to sell to another reseller of our kitchen items that we already do business with. So what do? Clone with Line Items. Let me search for one that we do business with. It's Blues Kitchen Supplier. So let's update this opportunity. Blues Kitchen Supplier. It's the Hilton Dallas project. Click Next. Go to the new opportunity. Now, you can see add to project value is automatically checked. Let's uncheck this. Click Save. Let's go to the project record. When I hover over here, you're going to see the 3 opportunities. This is the one that we originally started with, and we started the cloning process with this one, we got this, and then we also got this one. But only this one, the middle one, American Kitchens Hilton Dallas, is added to the project value. Okay. Now, what we can do, let's go to each of these opportunities. Okay, this is the first one. We feel like we have everything that we need. Let's create a quote. All right, so I created a quote for that opportunity. That was the original opportunity. I'm going to create a quote here. This quote is for American Kitchens, which is the opportunity we cloned from the original opportunity, and this is the third one. Okay. So I hope you can see that leveraging flows, screen flows, we can quickly clone opportunities and assign those opportunities to different companies and put all of those opportunities under a single project. So these 3 opportunities are related to this project, and you can see we have all the accounts are different suppliers, and we're trying to sell the same amount of products that will be supplied to this project, but we only said that we wanted the second one to be added to the project value because that's the one that we feel like we have the greatest chance at winning. Okay? So in addition to identifying the one we feel like we're going to win, you were able to quickly create quotes for each of those opportunities. And again, if I go back to the quote, let me just go back to one quote. The idea is you have this quote, you have to submit it for approval because it meets a certain criteria, and once it goes through the approval process, if that's required, then you would generate a PDF and send it to the customer. And you can send it, you can send a quote PDF for each quote that's related to this project quickly.